open, forward, keep tapping, and cry, stay there, one, and a cross, and one, and a cross, okay? Okay? Alright, so do the first two winds diagonal. Try it one time. We're ready. 1, 2, and then we're going to lift and put it on. So we're going to go 1, 2, lift, and on. Really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do step, touch, forward. So it's going to be 1, touch, 2, touch. We're going to do an away and put it on. Step, away, step, away. Again. Right, left. If you need help, raise your hand and I'll send somebody back there. Carissa. Right behind Martha, kind of. Right in that area. Yeah, okay, here we go. Ready? And 1, touch, 2, touch. Step, away, step, away. Now remember, the next verse is going to be the same. So, the wind and the wind. And, right? Okay, again. 5, 6, here we go. 1, touch, 2, touch. Step, away, step, away. Wind and wind and. Now, the rain's going to come. So you're going to hold the rain. The rain's going to go your face. So it's going to go this way. So it's going to go on your leg. So it's going to go hold up 2, 3, 4. Then it's going to cross, and we're going to go wide. So hold 2, 3, 4, wide, hold. Okay? Hold 2, 3, 4. You're going to make the rain. It's going to ruin your legs. You're going to cross it. It's not going to be there anymore. A wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's the wind. Wind and across. Wind and across. Second verse. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, touch. 2, touch. Step away. Step away. The wind and the left hand and rain. Rain. 2, 3, 4. Wide, hold, and the wind and across, the wind and across, okay? And then Hella, yeah. And then end with 2 Hellas, okay? Question. 1, touch, 2, touch, way, wind, reverse, wind, make it rain, rain, left, wide, wide, the wind, 1 and across, 1 and across, Hella, okay? Anybody else? 2, touch, step away, step, make your wind, and wind, make it rain on your leg, rain, 2, left foot, wide, go to the right, the wind goes across your chest, the wind goes across your chest. Better?
Hella.
Better? Okay.
Yeah.